Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best cordless rotary tools that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Populo Mini Cordless Rotary Tool. The Populo Mini Cordless Rotary Tool is a versatile and portable 4V kit designed for jewelry polishing and DIY crafts. This compact tool comes with a comprehensive 46-piece rotary accessory kit, offering various attachments for engraving, polishing, and grinding. With a maximum speed of up to 15,000 RPM, this rotary tool efficiently handles different tasks. Its USB charging feature ensures convenience and portability, allowing you to work on your projects without being tethered to a power outlet. Ideal for intricate tasks, the Populo Mini Cordless Rotary Tool is perfect for DIY enthusiasts, jewelry makers, and crafters seeking precision and ease in their projects. Its multifunctionality makes it a valuable addition to any crafting or hobbyist toolkit. Moving on at number 4, we have 4V Cordless Rotary Tool. The GoGoNova 4V Cordless Rotary Tool is a versatile and powerful tool designed for various tasks like grinding, polishing, wood carving, engraving, soft metal drilling, and cutting. With 3 adjustable speeds reaching up to 18,000 RPM, this rechargeable rotary tool offers precision and efficiency for different applications. Its cordless design allows for unrestricted movement during use, providing flexibility and convenience. Whether you're working on detailed crafts, DIY projects, or intricate woodwork, this tool offers reliability and ease of use. Ideal for hobbyists, artisans, and professionals, the GoGoNova rotary tool stands as a reliable and adaptable solution for a range of tasks across different materials. At number 3, we have Hardell Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit. The Hardell Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit is a versatile 3.7V power tool crafted for a multitude of tasks such as sanding, polishing, drilling, etching, engraving, and various DIY crafts. With 5 adjustable speeds and convenient USB charging capability, this kit includes 61 accessories, providing ample options for diverse projects. Ideal for intricate work, this multi-purpose rotary tool offers precision and control. Whether you're refining surfaces, creating detailed engravings, or drilling small holes, its compact design and comprehensive accessory set make it an asset for artisans, hobbyists, and DIY enthusiasts. The Hardell Rotary Toolkit serves as a reliable companion for accomplishing detailed tasks across a wide range of materials. At number 2, we have Dremel 7350-5 Cordless Rotary Toolkit. The Dremel 7350-5 Cordless Rotary Toolkit is a versatile toolset perfect for light DIY projects and precision work. This kit features a 4V Li-ion battery for cordless convenience and includes 5 rotary tool accessories, catering to various tasks with ease. Designed for precision and versatility, this Dremel toolkit is ideal for tasks requiring finesse and accuracy. Whether you're engaged in detailed crafts, delicate engraving, or small-scale DIY projects, this tool provides the necessary power and control. Compact and user-friendly, the Dremel 7350-5 Cordless Rotary Toolkit stands as a dependable choice for those seeking efficiency and precision in their work. And finally at number 1, Dremel 4000-230 Variable Speed Rotary Toolkit. The Dremel 4000-230 Variable Speed Rotary Toolkit is a versatile set ideal for a multitude of tasks including cutting, detail sanding, engraving, wood carving, and polishing. With its variable speed settings, this kit allows precise control for different applications. Equipped with 2 attachments and a comprehensive set of 30 accessories, it offers flexibility for various projects. Whether you're sculpting wood, engraving metal, or polishing surfaces, this toolkit delivers power and precision. Perfect for artisans, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals seeking a reliable and multifunctional rotary tool, The Dremel 4000-2/30 stands as an excellent choice for diverse crafting and detailing needs. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.